Hello, I'm talking about the various regional human rights courts, the Inter-American Court of Human Rights, the European Court of Human Rights, and the African Court of People's Human Rights. In the Inter-American system, I'm working in the 4 languages of that organization, Organization of American States, English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish. In the European system, I'm talking about in English and French, and here in the African system, I'll be doing in Arabic, English, French, and Portuguese. Okay, the African Court of People's Human Rights is also a regional court to enforce the various human rights treaties of the African Union, the African Charter of Peoples and Human Rights, the Maputo Protocol to the African Charter of Peoples and Human Rights of Women in Africa, the African Charter of Rights of the Child, and the African Youth Charter. Now, of course, there's clear violations in some countries. Let's start with Libya. Libya is a country where, after the fall of the Gaddafi regime, has become, in two words, chaos and anarchy, where torture is being used, disappearances are being used, and there's much discrimination for people from other parts of the African continent. So I recommend the African Court of Human Rights investigate that situation as well. In Darfur, while Darfur has been a genocide going on since 2003, and many of the people indicted by the International Criminal Court should also be indicted by the African Court of Peoples and Human Rights. Then there's the Central African Republic, where there's a conflict between Christians and Muslims, and there's violations of human rights, humanitarian, criminal refugee law there. Of course, the real disaster is the Democratic Congo, where rape is used as a method of war, and 100,000 women have been raped along the process. Then, of course, something a little bit more personal is my Malawian girlfriend, who has been victim of many violations of the African Charter of Peoples and Human Rights. So we're trying to figure out who abused her and try to send the defendants here. So these are the cases I recommend the African Court of Peoples and Human Rights investigate.